Hello viewers. I was just doing some things and I heard this really weird noise coming from the bug zapper. I have no idea what it is. And it sort of stopped. It started again and stopped. You can sort of hear it. I might go put the main lights on and have a look around. This thing needs cleaning anyway, so I only cleaned it just before summer. There you are. Let's go find a light. I think I see what it might be. That's what I think it is, that big mama beetle. I know they make noise sometimes. I'll try and get him out of there before I empty this. That's obviously what's making the noise. I believe that's only like 2 months worth of moths. Oh, I'll save that beetle and empty the tray. There we go, I got him out of the tray. Noisy little thing. So that's its head there. And it's its noise maker. Looks like just as it rubs its back on the inside of its shell it makes a noise. Oh, it doesn't seem very active. I don't think he's been zapped though. Yeah, I'll go put him in the garden somewhere and let him do his thing. That's one damn big beetle.